we have Shilpa Mittal with us. She's a expert, nutrition expert with us, and founder of Shilp's Nutrilite. Welcome, Shilpa. Welcome on Healthy Ram. We are doing this concept to bring about wellness of the body, mind, and soul. And welcome so much for joining us, our initiative. And we would like you to say a few words about our initiative before I start asking you questions. So what do you think about our initiatives, and a few words on that?
Sure. Thank you so much for such a lovely introduction. Regarding the concept getting people related to mental health at the same platform, I think that's a very nice initiative. Regarding your platform, I'm very new to it, but I'm very impressed with the way the things are presented on your platform. So I personally, I mean, when it was the first time and when you all were interacting, things are quite well. I would say you all have really curated it quite well, very easy for any layman to understand. And I'm happy that you all are not just tackling at one aspect. It is you have collaborated with so many people, not just, I mean, at one aspect, maybe not just allopathy, but also natural ways of healing. And that's what I mean, really, I am impressed with that thing. Considering mental health also, like you have invited people from various fields, which actually gives a person a holistic view about the mental health. So when we talk about mental health, it is not just the psychologist or the psychiatrist who are definitely, they play an important role, but yes, what a person heals, I mean eats, and the healing and the doctor, all this also are very important. So I think this is a very nice initiative to get, I mean, at least to create awareness and to let people know as to what all things they need to do if they have any kind of mental issues.
Absolutely. And nutrition also, as we all are very well aware, plays a very crucial role in mental health as well, I'm sure, because a lot of people don't know that we concentrate on our physical health, our external health, but even firmly believe, and I would like you to highlight it further, that nutrition does have a very critical role also, apart from, because medicines, I think there's a very famous saying that, if you eat your food like your medicine, you don't need to eat your medicine as your food. So we would like to, really utilize your expertise and your expert comments on, like, my first question to you would be that how does nutrition impact mental health? And what are some of the nutrient, rich food that support emotional well-being and a person's, inner self? So
Yes, so a very good question. First is how does food impact your mental health? Because there is very less awareness about it. But yes, food impacts has a long term as well as a short term impact on your mental health. There have been various studies, and now nutrition and mental health is extensively studied. I can put it up this way. I would quote a Hindi saying here, "Jaisa an वैसा मन." So the way you eat, you behave, or your, I mean, the everything, the brain processes things like that. So when I was small, I used to listen from my grandparents that if you eat a lot of spicy food, the person will be kind of an angry personality. So when now after growing up, when I take my clients recall, and when I ask them about their likes, dislikes, and when I relate, yes, I would not say 100%, but yes, somewhere I can relate to those clues. So
okay.
yes, whatever you eat definitely impacts your mental health. And now coming to the second part as to what are some of the foods
Okay.
which will support your emotional well-being, because when I see my patients, apart from the clinical conditions, each and every one of us do have some, maybe a major or a minor mental issue. So I will tell you quickly some foods which you can use in your day-to-day life and which will support your emotional health.
Mm-hmm.
One I would say is something like foods which have happy chemicals. Now, what are those? So, when you eat certain foods, you feel really good. You need to just introspect. I'm not talking about the junk food. We all feel happy. But
True, true.
then that happiness, if we really think back, that happiness is not long lived. So,
Yeah.
say maybe if I like a burger or a pizza and I eat, I'll feel very
You get
happy
a
for
sudden
that
spike,
moment.
and then
So the same
I
thing, if we try and relate to healthy foods, so the thing I was talking about, happy chemicals, they are serotonin, which makes you feel good. So all your whole grains, beans, lentils, the fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, these are some of the natural foods which will help you generate these happy chemicals. So over a period of time, when you include them regularly in your diet, you will notice that yeah, you're in a better position to handle your emotional health. The
abs-
next I come to is fats. So you will be surprised to know that we are fat headed. Yes, when I say fat headed means 60% of our brain is made up of fat. So now
hmm.
fats play a major role. So a person on a diet who's cut down on fat, you can never expect the person's mood to be really good. So if you
And
come
you
across
see
a
a lot of
person,
people, wanting to avoid ghee. नहीं ghee नहीं खाना. So that's not correct. That
yes.
sure,
So
sure.
60%, so I would not say कि आपकी diet आप change कर लो and majority fats, but yes, whatever fat allowance is there for you, वो कोशिश कीजिए कि good fat से आ रहा है. So what
Healthy
are good
fats.
fats? Yeah, they are omega 3 basically. That's what the brain cell membranes and everything are made up of. So it is
Hmm.
basically your walnuts, your almonds, your flax seeds, and if you eat non-vegetarian food, then fatty fishes like salmon, mackerel, tuna, all this have abundant of good fat. So try and include them in your diet. The next is
Okay.
fruits and vegetables. Now, fruits and vegetables are very important because they give you antioxidants. Now, what are these
Hmm.
antioxidants? They basically protect your brain from any kind of harmful substance. So, we are going out every day, pollution here. There are so many things around. So, we create a lot of pollutants or toxins enter in our body, and these fruits and vegetables are able to neutralize them ताकि हमारे ब्रेन पे ज्यादा डैमेज नहीं हो. So that
True.
is other thing. Then
True.
we have something called probiotics, which are
Hmm.
generally found in fermented foods and they are good bacteria. So if your gut is healthy, your brain will definitely or your mind will automatically be healthy, and we will look into it further also. The
Hmm.
next is magnesium rich food. So magnesium is not
Hmm.
so much talked about nutrients, but yes, lot of studies have shown that. I mean, even
Very
I deal
important.
with yes a lot of
Hmm.
mental health patients when I supplement them because maybe for a normal person who doesn't have a major mental issue, just including foods rich in magnesium will help. But when some
Hmm.
people with actual mental issues come to me, I have to at times supplement them with magnesium, and I have
Hmm.
found tremendous improvement in their mental health. So they are very
Okay.
easy to get. Just have a handful of nuts or include some kind of green leafy vegetables at least 3 to 4 times in a week, and you
Hmm.
are good to go with magnesium. The
Hmm.
next is carbs. So carbs बुरा है नहीं, ये हमें हमेशा लगता है carbs is bad, but brain
Overdo.
needs carbs also. Yes.
Yeah.
So brain बिना carbs के नहीं चलेगा आपका. आपको
Hmm.
because whatever you eat gets converted into glucose and that
Abs-
only can be utilized by brain. वो प्रोटीन जो भी आप खा रहे हो सब ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट होके ही ब्रेन को जाता है. So now we
Hmm.
talk about carbs which are primary source of glucose. So carbs have to be complex. When I say complex means जो वो जहाँ पे उसके साथ fiber हो. So all
Hmm.
your jawar, bajra, the millets category basically, which are rich in fibers. So if you eat those, they give you energy slow and steadily. एक साथ झटका दे के energy increase हो गई and
Spike नहीं होगा.
फटाफट
हाँ.
drop. Right, that doesn't happen. So always remember to have good carbs. And last but not least is water. So water
Hmm.
plays a very important
Very
role.
important.
Even I mean you can relate if the day you drink less water, आप थोड़ा cranky हो सकते हो. Because
Hmm.
water is something which helps in moving around of the nutrients, transportation,
Absolutely.
lot of functions the water does. So very important to have a good water intake. So basically
Hmm.
connecting more to nature, natural foods is something जो आपके emotional health के लिए आपको help करेगा.
Hmm.
And yes, not to forget less of sugar related food, especially the bakery items, आपके मिठाई
Absolutely.
and stuff like that. And
Hmm.
yes, if you drink too much of caffeine or alcohol, even that is going to affect your emotional health. Because again, जैसे हमने स्पाइक की बात की, so maybe you're tired और या आपको ज्यादा वर्क करना है, so you have cups and cups of coffee. That is going to definitely make you feel good, it will keep you awake, but जो damage brain को हो रहा है, you will not be in a position to even, I mean, see the damage that is happening. So try and
Absolutely.
avoid caffeine related products, especially, I mean, don't overdo it, basically.
थैंक यू सो मच। आई थिंक आपने तो एक ही क्वेश्चन में सारा ए टू जी हमें बता दिया। थैंक यू सो मच। एंड आई रिमेम्बर आपका जो पहला वाला आपने एक कमेंट बोला था कि जिसपे मुझे जो आप खा रहे हैं तो ब्रेन से कनेक्शन, उसका एक गट ब्रेन कनेक्शन का भी एक देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट। So I
Right.
wanted you to explain a little bit about like how is the gut and brain connected and what is that concept, and can you explain the gut brain connection and how a balanced diet can contribute to a better cognitive function? Like वो I think आपने काफी हद तक उसको टच कर लिया है, बट आप स्पेसिफिक इस पे आप हमें थोड़ा सा बताइए।
यस, नहीं, उस पे तो काफी बात हो सकती है, बिकॉज नाउअडेज देयर इज सो मच ऑफ रिसर्च।
बहुत शॉर्ट में बताइए, और आपका आपका हमारे पास कनेक्शन है नीचे, हम वो भी मेंशन कर देंगे। एंड हेल्दी राम पे यू ऑल द ऑडियंस, वेन एवर यू वांट टू कॉन्टैक्ट हर, यू कैन कनेक्ट टू हर, यू कैन बुक एन अपॉइंटमेंट विद हर। सो इट्स देयर ऑन healthyram.com. You can please go ahead and book and have one-to-one chat with her directly, pertaining to your own problem and your own requirements and your own needs. But for now, we're just trying to cover generally for everyone, general do's and don'ts for everyone. So back to you, Dr. Shilpa.
Okay, so the thing you're talking about, the gut brain connection, gut brain axis, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल दूंगी। when a child is small, maybe a just born kid, when the kid cries, क्या बोलते हैं सब?
Cranky हो रहा है बच्चा
क्रैंकी हो रहा है
थोड़ा,
कि उसको
हाँ,
भूख लगी है।
भूख
ओके,
लगी
सो
है, हाँ
ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो है ना कि भूख लगी है, मतलब पेट से गट का रिलेशन बहुत
हाँ,
सालों से इज ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड बिफोर इवन द साइंस कुड एक्चुअली स्टडी इट।
yeah,
सो क्या क्या
absolutely.
कनेक्शन है ये? सो गट एंड ब्रेन आर लाइक अ वेरी वेरी क्लोज बेस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स, एंड वो हर मूवमेंट एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं। और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है कि हाउ डू दे कम्युनिकेट। So in the gut, there is another small brain जिसे कहा जाता है enteric nervous system, and this nervous system communicate or sends messages to the brain through a highway जिसे हम vagus nerve कहेंगे। So these are in the form of text messages जिनको कुछ seconds ही लगते हैं। So how is the gut feeling is conveyed to the brain through this simple, I mean, I've tried to simplify it through this
Absolutely,
mechanism.
thank you. Yes, absolutely. I
So
think that, yeah, please go ahead.
सो द मूवमेंट, जैसे आपने कुछ अच्छा खाया मीन्स अगेन लीव असाइड द जंक फूड। सो द मूवमेंट यू ईट एज डिस्क्राइब्ड अर्लियर ऑल योर होल ग्रेन्स, योर लेंटिल्स, योर पल्सेस, आपके गुड फैट्स, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, द ब्रेन फील्स रियली, द गट फील्स हैप्पी एंड सो इज द ब्रेन, बिकॉज जो मैसेज जा रहा है वो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है कि येस आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड। So one is your balanced diet, which is again connected to the nature, less of processed foods, yeah, no processed foods, but everything natural. The next,
Absolutely.
which I didn't cover in the last point, was microbes. So there is something in our gut, like probiotic, which I covered. So probiotic को मैं और थोड़ा dissect करती हूँ. So probiotics are, they are living microbes in our gut. Now, these microbes are very happy when you give them fiber from fresh fruits and vegetables, more of seasonal. So जब उन्हें उनका खाना मिल जाता है, they are really happy, they multiply, and the more the variety. So if you are from a house जहाँ पे वही 2 4 5 सब्जियां बनती है, try to include at least once a week. That's what I did in my house when I go to buy, I mean, especially green. If there is anything new, I try to pick up and I cook it, and सबको 1 1 spoon लेना है. So now everybody has got into that loop कि कुछ तो नया आएगा and we have to at least taste it. So if you include 1 or 2 of a different kind of fruit or vegetable in your diet, you are encouraging a different culture of microbes into your gut. So जितना आप
Absolutely.
वैरायटी दोगे उतने अच्छे माइक्रोब्स आपके गट में ग्रो होंगे, and this microbes they definitely give good signals to the brain because they keep
Mhm.
our brain, I mean, give good signals, and they release chemicals which keep the brain healthy. So
Mhm.
that helps us in thinking better. And
Mhm.
here I will also touch upon the processed foods, because processed foods का ज़्यादा खाने से क्या होता है, and it has a very bad impact on your brain health. So processed
Mhm.
foods आपके body में, which we call technically is inflammation. Now what is
Mhm.
inflammation? If I need to explain it very simply, is suppose आप फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे रहते हो और सेकंड फ्लोर पे बर्थडे पार्टी चालू है बच्चे की, बहुत
Mhm.
धाम धूम हो रहा है. How will you
Mhm.
feel? For a while it's okay, but if it continues say for 4-5 hours, you will really feel very much annoyed. So when I
Mhm.
talk about inflammation, that this is something which is going on in your body. So the whole of the body organs are under stress because of whatever changes या आप ठीक से नहीं खा रहे हो. So inflammation particularly in the brain. When you eat
Yeah.
all these kinds of processed foods, high salt, high sugar and all the high fat specifically, और आप packaged foods ले लीजिए, सारा junk category.
Mhm.
So ये
True.
क्या करता है basically, this makes our brain, the thinking थोड़ा foggy हो जाता है, हमारा sharpness भी इससे कम हो सकता है. एंड नेक्स्ट, जैसे मैंने कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स की बात की थी, तो
And
शुगर फ्लक्चुएशन इज समथिंग यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ अगर आपको गट और ब्रेन को हैप्पी रखना है. तो इफ देयर इज टू मच ऑफ शुगर फ्लक्चुएशन, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व ऑल्सो इन पीपल विद
true.
डायबिटीज, अगर उनका शुगर, तो दे बिकम वेरी इरिटेटेड,
Uh,
एंशियस. सो शुगर्स
uh,
इज व्हाट यू नीड टू मैनेज. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट इज वाटर. सो
yeah.
वाटर हमारे ब्रेन के लिए एक कूलिंग का काम करता है. आप पीते मुंह से हो, गट पे जाता है, बट वो एक कूलिंग इफेक्ट आपके ब्रेन को देता है. So that also
Absolutely.
basically helps you, I mean, your brain to
Sure.
work the best.
Sure. Okay, now I am going to just go back a little bit. You just mentioned about, improvement of the focus, memory, and concentration. And
Yes.
since this episode is about, also focus more for the corporate, we are just, this particular episode, we are focusing more on the corporate wellness and how, because a lot of people around us are also, they've like been in the home and now we want people to come back to work, and globally there is a lot of there is a lot of stress and a lot of brain fog, just as you just mentioned and all that. So now, in the context of corporate, I would like to ask, like, what are the dietary tips that you can offer to enhance focus, memory, and concentration for the, especially the people, office going people. This is going to be applicable for everybody else, all people equally.
True.
But
I
any
think
tips
that's the,
for the office going people,
sure,
like if they have to carry a tiffin or something in that context, I'm asking,
sure. I think
Yeah,
that's a
sure.
very relevant question because, yes, as you said, be it not just office going, but be it students also, focus memory is something which we all are looking at in today's world.
Yeah,
So, apart from what
absolutely.
I have said earlier about the probiotics, about the whole grains, about the water, good fats, if you want me to specifically categorize how day to day basis a person can take care, the first comes is turmeric. So we use a
Uh,
lot of turmeric in our cooking. In that, there is an active compound called curcumin. You must have heard of it,
yeah, yes,
which is
yes.
which is anti-inflammatory, and it has lot of antioxidant properties. So that really helps to improve your memory and your cognitive function. Now it's very easy to include. We already add turmeric in our food. That's a different thing. Apart from that, अगर therapeutically आपको लेना है, so you can, there are turmeric tablets available. You can take it for a while and then stop it.
Kachi
Or
haldi also.
yes, so कच्ची हल्दी you get only during winter season. So you can
Mhm.
make a tea out of it. उसको boil कर लीजिए, 1 या 2 कप चाय ले सकते हो. बहुत सारे तरीके से you can use it.
Turmeric
You can
latte,
make fresh
like
pickle. Yes, milk में
milk.
डाल सकते हैं.
Uh,
Yes, you can make pickle out of it. उसको थोड़े salt और lemon
so
में
what is the
डाल के,
healthiest out of these?
whatever you like, everything is going to give you
Hmm.
curcumin, but you can have it from a variety of source ताकि आप बोर नहीं हो जाए. And otherwise,
Hmm.
the very simple thing which I tell my clients is आप दूध में डाल के, as you said, but always include some amount of black pepper with it, because black
अच्छा,
pepper will help that curcumin to come out
Im-
from turmeric. So वो
increases the
combination
impact.
help करता है.
Sure, sure,
Yes,
sure.
it helps in absorption of curcumin. If you're just having
Yeah.
haldi wala doodh without the black pepper is just needed, and say 1 teaspoon haldi डाल रहे हो तो just a pinch of black pepper. That's it. But try
Mm-hmm.
and have it so that absorption of curcumin is the best. Then next is nuts and seeds. Uh, कुछ भी हो जाए, any form, a handful of nuts. Of course, background देख के कि if you have cholesterol or something, then please consult a qualified nutritionist or a dietitian to know your values. And otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
seeds, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of seeds, mixed seeds you get like pumpkin, sunflower, alsi, til. All this have again good fats. तो वो रेगुलर बेसिस पे आपके डाइट में होना चाहिए. आप ऐसे ही खा सकते हैं. यू कैन स्प्रिंकल इट ऑन योर ब्रेकफास्ट. You can sprinkle it on your salads, on your dosas, idlis, chilas, pulaus, anything. So आप
Yeah.
उस तरीके से ले सकते हो. Then I will talk about two herbs called Brahmi and Ashwagandha, which you must
Yeah.
have come across. So they are
Absolutely,
known as
yes.
adaptogenic.
Wonder
Yeah,
foods.
so you again get them in form of capsules, you get them in form of powder. How I use is I get Brahmi leaves. I have a farmer who delivers it to me, and I make chutney out of it.
Oh, that's
Sorry.
beautiful. That's beautiful
Yeah,
to
because
hear. Mm.
that becomes natural, and chutney is something which is used on daily basis. So
Mm-hmm.
whatever form, but try to include this when you're, especially if you're taking tablets, don't take it for a long term, and take any one, either Brahmi or Ashwagandha, and stop it. Maybe if you have a lot of, say, some year end, March end, बहुत ज़्यादा काम का load है, maybe you can have
Mm.
it for a while and then stop it. When you're having it in the natural form, it will not cause any problem, but having it in a supplement form for a longer time, it may cause harm. So बहुत ज़्यादा time तक नहीं लेना है. It gives you lot of mental clarity to both these herbs.
Mm-hmm.
Then yes, dark green leafy vegetables, as I have spoken about. If you're just
Yes.
using palak, switch to
Mm.
some other vegetables. It could be anything like a red one, like lal mat, or any kind, but have, I mean, seasonal fruits and vegetables are a must. Uh, then even fish. If you're a non-veg eater, salmon, mackerel, tuna, try to include at least twice a week. तो ही फर्क पड़ेगा. Once in 15 days, you're not going to get that benefit. So these are some
Mm-hmm.
of the things which can be done on daily basis, and this is going to help you improve your focus and memory both.
Mm-hmm. So, and my next question related to this is like a lot of people are conscious, but sometimes, you know, when you are in stress and all, especially abhi post COVID, a lot of people are in stress. So, you don't even think about it. You know all this. You know, people have, your mom has told you, your nani has told you, your dadi has told you so many times, but you know, you feel कि वो stress eating हो जाती है कभी ऐसे कि टेंशन में आके ना, you don't even realize, you just go on eating some namkeen or something, and you think your mind is stuck somewhere else, and you don't even realize you're eating. Or some people, they just stop eating, they get depressed and they stop eating or something. So my question to you is that how can individuals maintain a healthy relationship with food while navigating stress induced emotional eating hoti hai, overeating or undereating, or non mindful eating? So how does one do that?
I love this question. I mean, this is really very good. And I basically see clients juggling with this on day-to-day basis. So when I tell them mindfully खाना है, the first thing is, ma'am, mindful खाना ही कैसे है? Mindful खाना ही क्या होता है?
वो
So
माइंड
one
होता
is,
ही नहीं है ना, माइंड इज समवेयर स्टक समवेयर
yes,
एल्स.
yes. So वही चीज पे मैं आ रही हूँ. Mindful eating is जब आप खा रहे हो, वो 10 मिनट पूरा निकाल के खाइए. Like, just focus on what you're eating. So at times, since this is for a corporate, I think for males, आपकी वाइफ ने टिफिन में क्या दिया, I think if I ask you after your lunch also, you may not able to recollect, because आपने खाने के लिए ही खाया है. So just take time, whether it is, I mean, for ladies and gents both, take time, take out that 10 minutes, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, but be involved into what you are eating. That's very important. Texture
आई
क्या
थिंक
है,
दैट्स अ
taste क्या
ब्यूटीफुल
है.
टिप. हम्म.
So because we have somewhere lost it. Even I have teenage daughters, उनका घर पे भी खा रहे होते हैं तो मोबाइल फोन पे कोई ना कोई सीरीज चल रहे होते हैं until we all come and bombard them कि इसको 10 मिनट बाद देखना है, otherwise even
हाँ,
they
नो
don't
मोबाइल्स।
remember.
हाँ।
Yes. So same thing at night when dinner, sit as a family, have a good light conversation because otherwise आप कुछ देख के खा रहे हो तो with kids I'm seeing a lot of overeating and even with
हम्म।
adults because you're not aware भूख कब लग रही है कब खत्म हो रही है, you that realization is not there. So
हाँ।
उसे mindful eating कहेंगे. So that is very very important and unless you take that first step कि आपको नहीं ये सब गैजेट्स को दूर रख के खाना है, it's
हाँ।
not going to work. So that is
हाँ।
one thing. The other thing is when you're emotionally stressed, खाने पे फोकस नहीं करना है अगर आप यूजुअली करते हो सो देर आर अदर वेज मे बी यू टॉक टू अ फ्रेंड गो आउट एंड वॉक पुट ऑन योर ईयरफोन्स एंड जस्ट निकल जाइए सो मे बी रीड अ
गो फॉर अ
बुक
वॉक।
कुछ यस गार्डनिंग करते हो तो थोड़ा प्लांट्स के बीच में बैठ
हाँ।
जाइए
ट्रू
सो
ट्रू।
एनीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम फूड आप कर सकते हो अगर बीच पास में है सो जस्ट गो आउट ताकि आप
आई
वो
विश।
उस फेस को आपने टाल दिया
जी
अदरवाइज इफ यू आर
जी।
एट होम एंड सामने कुछ पड़ा है
तो
एवरीबडी डज रॉन्ग
बिंज
ईटिंग
ईटिंग हो जाएगा। जी।
यस द अदर थिंग
एब्सोल्युटली
इज
ट्रू।
डोंट स्किप मील सपोज यू नो कि यू आर गोइंग थ्रू अ फेज जहाँ थोड़ा इमोशनल अप डाउन हो रहा है कॉन्शियसली भूख नहीं है तो भी टाइम पे लंच
टाइम पे खाओ।
डिनर yes the moment you skip meal the next your again मैंने जो इतनी सारे बात की ब्रेन्स को न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं आप ओवर ईट कर दोगे बिकॉज ब्रेन के एनर्जी लेवल्स आर टोटली डाउन
एंड
एंड
वो
नेक्स्ट इज
न्यूट्रिशनल खाना खाने की जगह आप बिंज ईटिंग कर लेंगे, कुछ अनहेल्दी स्नैक कर लेंगे। ट्रू।
राइट
जी जी
नेक्स्ट
जी।
इज टू सेट एन अचीवेबल गोल कई बार हम कहीं कोई भी चीज में भले ही इट इज वेट लॉस या कोई आपका पर्सनल कोई टारगेट होगा ऑफिस को रिलेटेड टारगेट होगा जो आपको लगता है आप अचीव कर सकते हो set those kind of goals because jahan when you realize that you are not able to achieve it you automatically enter a zone which disturbs your emotional health so work on that agar aap bar bar aise zone mein jate ho to and at times if you are with friends family and kuch wrong eating kar li bahut sara junk kha liya don't
होता है।
punish yourself be kind to yourself and वो guilt को मत आने दीजिए just move on it's okay when we are with like it's going to be festive season Ganpati Navratri Diwali
ये तो
it
आपने बहुत
may
अच्छी बात
happen
बोली। आई एम
yes
श्योर
so
यू
it may
ऑल योर
happen
ऑडियंस आर गोइंग टू लव यू फॉर दैट।
so because
ओके।
जब वो guilt आता है I've seen my clients going wrong चलो खा
दैट्स
लिया ना
इवन
एक
वर्स।
बार
हाँ।
yes so अब कोई फायदा नहीं करने का and then that's how you get trapped फिर realize होगा you will again so it's okay just tell yourself it's okay and move on कुछ नहीं बिगड़ा है so this is very important
सो बस एक मेरे को और आपसे पूछना था कि अगर आपके कोई टिप्स है फॉर दी यू नो ओनर्स ऑफ वर्क प्लेसेस टू you know if can they do something आपके दिमाग this is a just you know question which came to my mind कि अगर आपके जैसे वर्क प्लेस में कोई ओनर है वो कुछ कर सकते हैं जो या फिर जो मैनेजर्स हैं लोगों के अपने जो स्टाफ हैं उनको थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल करने के लिए मतलब आप जो स्पेशली जो थोड़ा बड़ी कंपनीज हैं वो उनके लिए या फिर जो स्मॉल कंपनीज हैं जो कि ऑन अभी पोस्ट कोविड तो सभी बजट पे चल रहे हैं तो लेकिन कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो ह्यूमन होती हैं जो जिसमें बहुत पैसा नहीं लगता थोड़ा सा दिल लगता है और थोड़ा सा ध्यान से आप करो तो आप वो कुछ चीजें मैनेज कर सकते हो उनके लिए भी कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या आपके ऐसे off the cuff extra question for you?
Yes this can be done and I have worked very closely with Johnson and GE with this 5 years I was on board with them and beautiful results mile so what you can do is one is if your company is offering snacks या meals उसे आप थोड़ा सा बैलेंस कीजिए the way I told you at least fruits आप रख सकते हो beverages section change कर दीजिए और या कोला सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स टू मच ऑफ टी कॉफी
स्पेशली
कैन
जब
बी रिप्लेस
पार्टी का बताइए आप पार्टी होती है और बर्थडे पार्टीज होती है तो उसमें क्या क्या ऑफर करना चाहिए बर्थडे पार्टीज में
ओके सो यस लॉट ऑफ हेल्दी थिंग्स सो इंस्टेड ऑफ जूस कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स आप बच्चों को मिल्क शेक ही दे दो मे बी
बच्चे नहीं
स्मॉल ग्लास
बच्चे sorry, I'm
Sorry.
cutting you here. My
Yes.
question is only for the
the
corporate
world.
office.
Yes.
When you have birthday parties or you have some
Yes.
celebration
Yes.
or a happy
Got it.
hour, what should be done then? Because सबसे
Yes.
पहले
And
ये
that
होता है एक बड़ा सा अनहेल्दी सा केक मंगवा लो, कुरकुरे मंगवा लो, चिप्स मंगवा लो और
true.
समोसे मंगवा लो, और जितनी अनहेल्दी चॉइसेस हैं वही सबसे पहले दिमाग में आते हैं कि और खुशी भी होती है, आप कोल्ड ड्रिंक मंगा लो, पियो कोल्ड ड्रिंक, बड़े खुश होते हैं लोग। तो उसको अगर आप हेल्दी करोगे तो लोगों का मूड ऑफ हो जाएगा, तो वो इज देयर अ सजेशन यू हैव फॉर
Yes.
दैट?
Yes, so nowadays, that's a very good question because nowadays, if you see, there are so many people to help in this segment. मैं पहले beverages से start करूंगी. तो
जी।
क्योंकि हम mental health के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, so something like a banana milkshake or a chiku milkshake is really very good for your brain because banana milkshake में वो serotonin फटाफट generate हो जाएगा the moment you have it.
वाह।
So instead of going in for cold drinks and stuff like that, you can give milkshakes, you can give smoothies, you can give vegetable juice, cold pressed juices है. So ये सारे options आप दे सकते हो और अगर ये बजट से थोड़ा हाई लग रहा है then you just give them variety of green teas भी बहुत सारे मिलते हैं. So that is also okay. When we come to the food section, again थोड़ा सा ही twist करना होता है junk में and there is lot of help available. Even you have caterers who are willing to transform the menu. तो कहीं पे थोड़ा millets include कर लिया जहाँ complex carbs का ध्यान रखा है. Sugars में go in for natural like dates हो गई, किशमिश हो गया. Jaggery, honey, sugar come in the same category. So even if you're ordering for cake की जगह order for a halwa. So maybe something like a moong dal halwa. Maybe you may not order a big piece. You can order a smaller ताकि सब portion control में खाए. That or else you get healthy cake also. Sugar free मिलता है जहाँ naturally dates, थोड़ा jaggery, millets का cake भी मिलता है. So all
अच्छा।
that options can be tried out and yes I agree कि जो normal cake आपका आएगा 1,000 रुपए में this will go off budget but then work on the portion size because
हाँ।
जितना हम चीज order करते हैं we keep on eating it also that way.
या
Yes, when you order food select accordingly because हर रेस्टोरेंट में आजकल एक हेल्थ का सेक्शन हो गया है. सो जस्ट टू गिव यू सिंपल टिप्स अगर बहुत बेसिक भी रखना है तो ऑर्डर फॉर राइस बेस्ड डिशेस बी इट चाइनीज फ्राइड राइस बी इट मैक्सिकन थाई राइस जिसमें थोड़े वेजिटेबल्स ज्यादा ऐड किए गए हो तो आपका टेस्ट भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं हो रहा है एंड यू आर ऑल्सो एंजॉइंग फूड. तो जहाँ पे भी बहुत ज्यादा फ्राइड और वो ऑप्शंस है वो थोड़े कट डाउन कर सकते हैं. South Indian is something the best, the healthiest, no brainer if you want to order. But for parties, I don't know how much people will be accepting
हाँ,
this thing.
दैट इज ऑल्सो थिंग ना कि पीपल विल मेक अ फेस कि भैया इतने हेल्थ के में चक्कर में तुम्हारी पार्टी खराब कर दी तुमने, हमें ये क्या दे रहे हो, हमें घास फूस और
Or
ये
else
सब।
you can have
हाँ।
one or two dishes which are healthy and the rest could be whatever you are ordering.
Like
That
you
can be
said कि
done.
once in a while if you indulge then don't feel guilty
Yes.
about it, so
And the
we'll go
portion
by that.
control. Portion control या moderation. But if you search
हाँ।
even pizza millet based आता है और आप पता भी नहीं कर पाओगे कि what is. So you can keep both. एक
हाँ।
थोड़ा healthy और ये. So at least people will try. तो जो जहाँ 4 पीस खा रहा है दो इसका खाएगा तो नुकसान कम होगा.
हाँ, और मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन एक जेनेरिक है ये कि हाउ कैन वी पर्सनलाइज न्यूट्रिशनल प्लान्स tailored to address specific mental health concerns? Can you say something on that, on overall well-being of a person who is mentally challenged or that way?
Yes. So when it comes to personalization, we require a lot of details. एक तो the medical history, the general history. We also require the person's statistics in terms of height, weight. So weight is very important because if the person is overweight and specifically visceral fat जो हम central obesity कहते हैं, if that is more, जैसे हमने gut और brain की बात की थी, that itself will make your brain very lethargic, very slow to work because जितना fat आपके abdomen के आसपास होगा, it will slow down the working of your stomach and other organs. So that is something we look into. We require a certain amount of blood parameters, the nutrients I was talking about. If they are deficient, हमें उसको ध्यान रखना होगा diet में. We also talk to the family if there is a need. If a person is suffering from mental health issues because a lot of other factors also count like cooking में कितना help है, whether the person is eating outside. So yes, all this, what are the person's likes, dislikes, what are the culture, what is cooked at home. Based on all
Hmm.
that, we then formulate a diet plan.
Yeah. So if somebody has a requirement, they can always contact Dr. Shilpa, and you have the link in the description. So thank you so much, Dr. Shilpa.
Support to empower. World Mental Health Day Mega Workshop.